Hey guys, today I'll be making coconut shrimp curry, so let's get started. So what we'll be using today are 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of whole coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of cooked shrimp, and 1 can of coconut milk. So let's get started. So first you're going to heat your pan with some oil. And then you're going to add your onions and fry it until they are transparent. Once they are transparent, add all of your spices. And also add your lemon juice. And now we're going to let it fry for a few minutes. Then add your coconut milk and wait for it to come to a boil. Let it boil for about a minute. Now add your shrimps and let it simmer for about a minute. There you have it, simple and easy coconut shrimp curry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video.